Lots to talk about with this system that has moved in from the west. We've got a cold front, a warm front, and right in between is where you find the mildest air. That triangular section, that wedge, is called a warm sector, and that's what's over the GTA right now, hence the super warm temperatures. Now, as it moves through this whole system, you've got warm, changing to cold, rapidly falling temperatures. We're going to have some rain with it and possibly some icy surfaces. So special weather statement in place for all three of those combined. Let's talk about the wind first, because yes, while the wind will be around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour into this evening, it's tomorrow that we have a chance for them getting into 60 to 80 kilometer per hour territory. And that's in Toronto. As you move down towards the shorelines, we're expecting gusts potentially up to 90 kilometers per hour because they're coming in off of the water, less friction to slow them down. The rainfall from the system, generally after 8-9 p.m. tonight, continuing for a few hours overnight. As we wake up, sort of pre-dawn hours, 4 o'clock, we're still into the rain, but now we're starting to see that transition back over to snow as the colder air starts rushing in as the system passes. So rain changing to snow and then falling temperatures. The wind picks up with that cold air, and now we start to bring in that lake effect snow. This is going to be tricky travel to the north throughout the afternoon tomorrow because of blowing snow with those gusts, again, 60, 70, 80 kilometers per hour. And then late Friday night, some of the wind direction changes a bit more northwesterly, and we get into that lake effect snow into York and Durham. So it's warm and rainy through this evening as well as into the overnight. And again, 10 to 20 millimeters is what we are expecting. Rain starting to change over to that snow with the falling temperatures. This doesn't look like a lot of rain, and it's not. It's just that the ground is frozen, and so it's got nowhere to go. So as a result, there may be some pooling. We're going to start to see some higher and faster river flows, right? And the potential for flooding in low-lying areas, even though it's 10 to 20 millimeters. Again, it's that frozen ground that's the problem. So leave extra time for commuting and avoid riverbanks over the next 18 to 24 hours if you can. These temperatures, they're not daytime highs. Remember, we're getting our high around 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow and progressively falling through the day after that. The lake effect snow that's going to develop tomorrow afternoon, it's probably about 5 to 10 centimeters. This is not a big event. It is going to be tricky travel because of the blowing snow, but it's not going to last long, probably half a day, if even that. We could see 2 to 5 centimeters out through York region back towards Georgian Bay, and even a light dusting here across the 416. That warm sector, I just wanted to show you what those temperatures look like. A couple of spots into double digits. Now, we're not going to get to minus 17 in southern Ontario, but we may do so across northern Ontario. This is your 2 a.m. tomorrow temperature. By the time you're heading to work and school, we're already falling. So we're starting off the day standing at the bus stop at 2 degrees and then coming home already down to -1 to -2 and continuing to drop a couple more degrees after that. So tomorrow's really the big day here on this whole 7-day. There's another big day. It's Christmas Day. People want to know what's happening. Right now, though, latest forecast models hinting at potential freezing rain in the morning before switching over to rain as those temperatures go to 2. It's still 7 days out, so we're going to have a good chance to possibly change that. Tuesday, we've got the flurries changing to showers as temperatures will be starting off the day at -3, but then getting up to 3 throughout the afternoon. So pay attention to all of the watches, warnings, and advisories that are in place because it's going to be a busy next 24 hours.